whole garage smells like fuel. Hey guys, welcome back. Quick tip video today. Today we're going to replace a tethered gas cap in my 1999, beautiful 1999 MiniTruck GMC Sonoma. Let's get to it. Hey guys, if you remember, I was doing my my video on window decals, and I was standing right over here working on the back window, and the smell was kind of overwhelming me of gasoline. And you know, when I'd come out in my garage in the morning from me working on this thing, I could smell gasoline. I thought maybe I had a fuel rail leak, which, you know, I'm still gonna look into that, but I'm pretty sure it's this gas cap. And if you look at this, it may be hard to see from where you are, but this O-ring is all cracked. This little rubber seal, totally cracked, just old, not gonna do its job anymore. So I went to the parts store, got a new tethered gas cap, and let's get to replacing it. There's the new one. Comes with a few different connectors. So let's just start by pulling that off with some needle nose pliers. All right, looks like it's going to be this one that's going to fit our application. So I'm going to see if I can just press it back in there with my thumb. Put it in here first in the tether. There you go. Now, one thing you may want to do is spin your tether out of the way so your door closes fine. That's it. That's all there is to it.